Hello everybody, I'm Chase Kadama here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington, and we have Michelle Berry supporting us on the camera. And so we're going to walk around the outside of this beautiful 2023 Winnebago Sunstar 29V and go over some of the highlights. So as we go around the side here, you'll notice we have a side camera, incredible awning.
That is a power awning.
And then as we go on the side here, you'll notice that we have outside speakers, television,
Outdoor entertainment.
plenty of storage, but then you have this outside kitchen area with nice refrigerator, plenty of drawer space, lots of room for cookouts and whatever activities you have outside. As we walk around the back, you'll notice that there's a rear view camera and receiver hitch on the back for 5,000 pounds. There's still a ladder on the back as well to get to that fiberglass roof. And there's your awning, or your generator exhaust and your generator, which is a gas generator, 5500 Onan. As you walk over here, we'll have access to your 50 amp service power cord. Huge awning with slide toppers to help protect you from debris and other things that get inside your slide out mechanism. So more storage. And as we head towards the front, the other side, we have our other side camera that gets activated when we're driving. And back this huge panoramic window with some Winnebago details and even a Winnebago motorhome up here.
Look at this detail. How cool is that on the glass?
Yeah, I got the classic Brave design on the Class A motorhomes back in the day.
If that doesn't scream camping, I don't know what does. Let's go on in, Chase.
And we're gonna head on inside.
Nice grab handle for safety.
So Winnebago makes a lot of their own metals, does their own upholstery work, Stitchcraft upholstery work, and so they've done a lot of things from making block foam overhead bunks to just making an automotive front cab, so their own plastics, their own decals and emblems. And so this is going to be on a Ford chassis. Gets plenty of power in case you did want to tow something on the new Ford engine.
Just giving you a peek of some of the buttons. Lots of safety.
And this does have electronic leveling.
Awesome.
So you just hit the button and automatically level the whole RV. No more cranking.
Oh, look, a table.
See your table.
How great is that?
And as you turn around, you'll see we have a dinette and opposing sofa with a double sink, plenty of kitchen space, lots of overhead cabinetry. Leads to our oven, 3-burner stovetop, microwave,
Nice large fridge and freezer combo.
and freezer combo.
Lots of space in there.
So as we head over here, you'll see some of Winnebago's custom slider shelves in here with the Winnebago emblem.
It's great space for your pantry items. Lots and lots of storage back there, Chase, in the bedroom. Tell us about it.
Plenty of storage, so you have a hanging rod there, and also an additional hanging rod back here.
Awesome.
So if you want to be out for more than just a couple days at a time, in some cases a couple weeks at a time, this is a great option.
Look at all that storage.
That gives
all
you a
those
walk
drawers.
around bed. And I'm not very tall, so this looked a little high to me initially, but you have a step up here that makes it easier to get in, put any electronic devices like CPAP machines or even just night music, whatever works for you, and you still have additional storage that goes all the way back here. So my whole arm can fit back in here, all up and down this space with another hanging rod.
Oh, great.
So lots of overhead.
Beautiful
Storage.
backsplash. These beautiful pillows come with.
And the decor is
Nice little Winnebago branded.
extremely popular in the current modern motorhome style. So you have this mirror here.
More storage.
And this RV will have 2 air conditioning systems with ducting. So if you're in hot climates or cold climates and you need your furnace running, this will take care of all that. So we're gonna head to this bathroom.
Is that a king size bed, Chase?
This is actually.
Wow.
It's a bit wider than your traditional RV queens.
Good thing to point out, lots of sleeping space back there.
And so over here, we'll get over into the bathroom. So plenty of elbow room. And most importantly, Winnebago makes bigger showers than most of the other industry. So huge shower space, skylight. I got my shoes on. Normally I wouldn't have my shoes on in the shower, but for this video, good idea of space here.
Can you give us an idea of what it would look like sudsing up? Do a little soap sud. There you go. Good washing space.
Could rub against the wall if
Elbow
you want
room. All right. Towel holders
to.
on the
This
door.
is going to be a porcelain toilet,
Porcelain.
which is really important for when you have long days and you need actually room to sit down
Easy clean also.
and easy access to your toilet paper.
Nice. Beautiful motorhome. Easy panel. So you can control everything on the motorhome directly from the touchscreen. Right, Chase?
Absolutely. Easy access, so if you want to turn off lights, see kind of your different water levels, it gives you a really good idea on when you need to dump and when you don't, and how long you have to stay at a place. So this is also another sleeping area that can drop down, so you have multiple designated sleeping areas when you do have more than just a couple people. And right now we can sit comfortably, talk to you, clarify any research that you might have or questions that you might have. And definitely, so Michelle and I are here at, or Chase Kodama and Michelle Berry at Johnson RV are here to help you, so feel free to reach out to us. And
Happy camping.